fine face, slim waist. Got the juice, make your own a guy chase. Body good, but the vibe made me chase. When she carry herself, me won't go praise. Got her own, never need a mind paper. All my no picking king guitar. Told her save me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amelia and I'm back again with another video. I kind of look rough right now because we just came back from a cookout. But today I'm just going to be showing you guys a little dorm tour. My room is not completely finished yet because I know as the year go by I'm still going to add more stuff to it. But I might as well get this video out as soon as I can. So I'm going to just show y'all what we have done right now. So if y'all didn't know, I live in Hojo, Hinton, James at UNT Chapel Hill. And we live on the 3rd floor. But yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all how the outside look and then I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. My friends are in there right now. We're all just like chilling and talking right now, finding what parties to go to tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna just flip it and then show y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and get a look of what Hojo looked like, because I know when I was searching up like stuff about the dorm, there was barely anything about Hojo. So I'm gonna just show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so the air is on right now, but this is how the outside look. We have a basketball court right behind our house, which I love because I play basketball. And so that's how many floors we have. We have like 10. Over there you see the water tower, the blue water tower. And then down there is the basketball place, the Dean Smith. And then back behind this building, or is that the building right there, is actually Ram's apartment. So when you come in, this is just how it is. I left the door open. I'll close it behind you. And then so you have 4 rooms and you have 2 people to each room regularly, but we have the RA, so I said regularly normally, but we have the RA, so it's different. So we're room A, so it's me and Abigail, and then we have Angelique, which is our RA. Each floor has like 2 RAs, and we just happen to be lucky and our RA stays right across from us. This is Maria's and Alexandra, and this is Queen and Zoe's, and then we just have a mirror here. You can't really see me from the dark, but let's go in. It has like a little thing right there. So this is our bathroom. It's kind of messy right now, but I just keep my toothbrush and toothpaste up there, and I put it there for anybody else who want to keep something. This is my black soap. I didn't really want it to touch there, so I put it on there. Those in the trash. We have soap, and we have, this is my little thing. I keep my bathroom stuff like deodorant, soap, loofahs. That's my face bin. And then this is a trash can. I keep my shower shoes right there. That's the door again to leave the bathroom, and that's my shower cap. And then we have a little curtain that separates the toilet area than the bathroom area. So yeah, you would go ahead and do like that. This is our bathroom. We don't really have anything in here because we're really in here. So we keep the little trash can, toilet paper. When you're in the bathroom, this is how it looks from this way. So I thought Hojo was gonna be really bad and I wasn't gonna like it, but it's actually not that bad. Like, I was being dramatic. So then this is the bathroom, which is kind of like, the bathrooms low-key scare me because I don't like the little grain and the design that they have. But I just put that up there, which I put it up there wrong because I need to hold my loofahs and stuff. So now everyday loofahs and stuff is on there, and we just keep it on there so we won't have to carry it in and out. You can lock the bathroom door too. So this is how it looks from this view. Why did she go to boarding school? It's like, I don't know. Alright. These are my friends. Hey. That's my roommate. Hey. I'm recording for YouTube. Okay. Okay. This is just our little table. We keep stuff on there. That's her side, that's my side. I'm shaking the camera so much. And then I keep like my headscarves and stuff in here. And then this one's Abby's, this one's Abby's, these 2 are mine. I keep like my pajamas, bathing suits, sports bra, tank tops. And then this, I just keep like jackets and stuff. Actually, I'm lying. I keep t-shirts in here. Up there, I just keep like storage stuff. Basically, I'm not gonna say what's in it. It's just stuff you store. So yeah, just basically. And then up here is more storage stuff. I keep like hair ties and stuff in there. And then that's just my contacts, and then nail polish and stuff, and then nail clippers, and then more storage. I keep my rest of my makeup in here because I haven't like organized the other ones over there. Then this is the closet. I thought the closet was gonna be really small, but it actually wasn't that small. We just put a curtain on there so that you can like hide it and it looks prettier. But yeah, just keep my jacket and stuff over there. Then shoes, I keep all my shoes, well, most of my shoes here, and then I keep the other ones under my bed. And then my laundry basket, and that's basically that. And then over here, put the light on. Over here, more storage stuff, and then my wig stuff. I keep like jewelry in these boxes, and this is like, I try to make this my little school part, because down here is just my makeup and stuff, but a lamp, stuff to put papers in, a mirror, and then I keep my water bottles right here. And then this is just my whole makeup section because I have a lot of makeup. I realized that. And then in this drawer, I just keep like scissors, my glasses, and like leading stuff. That's like lip gloss. And over here, my sister hung my some of my jewelry in there, like on the wall, so I wouldn't have to go in there to get it. And then that's just a Tar Heel thing. Okay. Then we have like an extension cord that connects and like hooks up the alarm clock and the speaker. And then down here I have in that box I keep my makeup in there too that I don't want on the table, and I keep like that pack of eyelashes down there. And then those are like shoes that I can wear around, I was about to say the house, but the dorm. And then I keep my book bag down here, and then the chair goes here, but she's in it. All right, and then this, I just keep my underwear. No, this is my bra. Yeah, this holds my bras, my underwears, and then this is my socks. So it's just a little short thing. And then, so don't look at why I got this small refrigerator. I had a whole problem getting this refrigerator. So my dad went to the store late, and this was the only size refrigerator that was in the store. And then the microwave, and then we have a mirror up here to look at ourselves before we leave. So basically that's how that looks from over here, from this direction. This was supposed to go on the door, but there's barely no space for it, so we put it over here so I can keep like my keys and badge, and as y'all can see, umbrellas and bags. And then this is just a little, what is this, an ottoman? A quote-unquote ottoman. And I just keep like my blow dryer, my straightener, and like cords and stuff in here. But this is my bed, and I'm not done with the walls yet because I feel like it still looks plain, but this is what we have so far. That's just 2 pictures because I don't really print out pictures, which I should. Air conditioner. We put a little lamp here and it holds stuff. I like that. And then that's a trash can, footstool. This is where we keep our snacks. Under here I keep my clothes, as y'all can see, like jeans and stuff, t-shirts, shorts, other stuff. So there's no like water fountain right here, so I bought water bottles because I'm always thirsty. And then that little storage container keeps like my hair stuff, shampoo, conditioner, and all this stuff for hair. And then that's just bags, and that's suitcase, and that's a suitcase back there too. So there's more space here if I wanted to bring even more stuff, but I'm not. But yeah, that's basically the room. I'm gonna go this way so I can see how it looks from this side. But this is basically how Hojo looks. It's heavy, but this is how it looks.